Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ankita and Kunjwal. My name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today I am going to show you easy experiment to do at home, and for that we only require two ingredients, and that are called an Eno. And now we have to cut the Eno. We have to pour it. And see the reaction and the noise, and the bubbles are coming out. It became fluffy and soft. And this is called volcano. I think the reaction should be stopped. I'm going to mix it again. See, you can see it's very fluffy and thick. And that's for it today. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. And bye.